Janardhan Reddy's arrest gets sharp reaction across political spectrum. The arrest of mining baron and former Karnataka Minister Janardhan Reddy today has evoked reactions across political spectrum. While Congress has welcomed the arrest, Member of Parliament and late YSR Reddy's son, Jagan Mohan Reddy, slammed media for connecting him to Janardhan Reddy. Evidently, it was YSR who granted the lease to Janardhan Reddy for mining operations in Andhra Pradesh.
I am trying to tell you, each and every one present here, this is not right. This is below, this is underneath the belt. This is hitting somebody underneath the belt. I mean, you people have least of the ethics in you. Please ensure that you play the game right. Janardhan Reddy is arrested, you go talk to him. Go talk to BJP people. Go talk to somebody in that state. What has that got to do, anything to do with me? Please do not do this war underneath the belt.
Meanwhile, welcoming the arrest, Congress General Secretary B.K. Hariprasad said in New Delhi, this arrest should have come 5-6 years ago.
ये जो जनार्दन रेड्डी जी का आज कर्नाटक में सीबीआई के अधिकारियों ने गिरफ्तार किया, देर है मगर अंधेर नहीं है, ये साबित हो रहा है। भले ही 5 साल 6 साल पहले ही होना था, हो चुका है। अभी जो राष्ट्र का जो संपत्ति है उसको लूटने वालों को तो सजा दिलाने का काम तो सीबीआई तो करना चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी जो पिछले महीने लोकायुक्त भी एक रिपोर्ट में कम से कम 1 डजन मंत्रियों का नाम जताया है। सबके बारे में इंक्वायरी करके जो राष्ट्र का जो संपत्ति है उसको लूटा है, उसको कानून के दायरे में उसको लाकर उसका इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए।
BJP has come out in support of Reddy and hoped that he will come out clean, but maintained the whole issue was related to his private business and not to the party. CBI today conducted raids at Reddy's residence in Bellary and arrested him along with his brother-in-law Srinivas Reddy, who were taken to Hyderabad for interrogation. As per reports, around 30 kilograms of gold and nearly 1.5 crore rupees in cash were seized from Janardhan's residence in Bellary. With camera person Rajkumar Atal from New Delhi and correspondent Jaipal Sharma from Bangalore for ANI.